Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the human resource forecasting. Organization needs just as they need other resources to function successfully. Modern organizations claim that peoples are their biggest assets to meet the future needs for efficient people. Organization need human resource planning by which they can forecast the human resource requirement. The first step is developing a human resource plan is determining the future supply and demand for human resources. The supply of human resources can be forecasted on the basis of on the basis of employees and analyzing the standards HR data such as work historic, skill required, job progression and demographic. The demand for human resources can be forecasted by estimating the number of employees and skills desired in the future. HR forecasting enables managers to estimating the number of employees and the desired skill sets. The different techniques for forecasting also enables managers to different whether the future demand for employees can be met within the organization or the organizations has to recruit people from outside. Forecasting human resource supply two types. Number one, forecasting the external human resource supply, and number two, forecasting the internal human resource supply. Forecasting the external human resource supply, when organization had recruits employees from outside the organization, it is known as the external human resource supply, and it is difficult to find or hire employees who can perform well as soon as they join the organization. While some organizations find colleges and universities as the best source of potential employees, other targets competitions or even unsolicited applications. A firm may discover the graduates from a particular college or universities can adapt well to its business environment and work culture. Organization can also collect information about the employment history of potential employees to develop statistics and select the best. The information is collected either by interviewing the employees or through the questionnaires. Forecasting enables managers to identify where the potential employees may be found. They can also predict the type of individuals likely to succeed in organizations by listing the qualities needed to succeed. Now, okay, girls.